Hey everybody, this is Scotty with RC Builder 24/7. Just giving you guys an update on what I did to my little camper here. Got everything riveted. I'll bring you over here, you can check it out. See, what I first did is riveted all my cross braces in it, and I put that channel iron up through the center and left some room for some wheels, which I ain't using them anymore. I'm using some, I ordered yesterday some front wheels and tires off a Lowe's slider, which looks pretty cool. See, I had to trim the height off this thing. It was probably, I don't know, 1.5 inches, 2 inches higher than what it is now, and it was, the total height would have been 13 inches and the width's only 9, so I'd be dragging it on its side most likely. But that's what it's gonna look like. You can see, compared to a drill or the tires, that it's gonna be something else. Put some lights in it. I'll show you how I flip this over. So I already got that laid out for the siding that's going on it. And this is a chunk of the siding right here. You can see that. Plastic. A little bit of flex to it, but I think that'll work alright for it. I know some campers have that type of siding on it. It'll be water resistant anyway. This is how I did this, is line it up, and I made the outside edge a little bit thicker so I can put the back pieces on, and the top piece, the top's about a 1/16 thicker than the rest. I just put that up, mark my trace around it, so I'll be able to cut that thing out. Need to add a couple more braces to the top so it doesn't flex so much. And I got a piano hinge, which I'll cut it to the inside diameter here and put a piece underneath there, and that'll match the thickness of it. So I'll be able to open the top up to look inside it, fix stuff, or hopefully I'll be able to find a DC powered iPod jack or something so I can hook that up to it, even though I don't have one, but somebody will be able to rock the world with it. And I just want to give you guys an update. I still haven't figured out how I'm going to do the leaf springs and the axles, and I got axle, but I don't know if I should do like an A-frame from the front and just put shock, coilover shocks, oil-filled shocks in there, or maybe just a couple of leaf springs. But I don't know, time will tell. Thanks a lot, you guys. Have a good one.